And is that it?
That's it.
Oh no, look. Yo, we got this, guys. Ah! Ah! Oh shit. Guys, you know, don't ever forget the confetti. It's a big party. Thank you for tuning in. It's Trinity Daniels. I'm here with Michelle Murphy, aka MMMMFit. 4 M's. Add her on all social media outlets. Today's we're doing an unboxing video. We are unboxing the FabFitFun box. And you want to tell them what that is?
I'm so stupid excited. So I get one of these 4 times a year. There's a spring, summer, fall, and winter box. Basically, for $50 a month, I get 200 plus worth of items, full-size products, so not samples. Sometimes there are samples in there, but they're seasonal, they're fabulous. My box, I specialize to have to do more with fitness and fashion.
You get to choose that?
A little bit. So sometimes you get to choose things that go in, or you get choices, this or that kind of thing.
Okay.
But I'm really excited. I waited a long time for this, and it finally came today, so.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's get to the unboxing. I forgot the knife.
Daniel!
We're gonna get into it. Do I look sexy? Comment if I look sexy. Haters will be blocked.
I want to cut it. So each box comes in a really pretty, fun box that I love, all of them.
It's alright. I mean,
This one's got like birds and fruit. It's very tropical. So it comes with a little booklet. It pretty much tells you everything that's inside and probably any updates and how much things cost. So. Dun dun dun.
jeez.
Looks like a cute little thing to put my cards in, which I actually need, and it has a strap. Perfect for me because my hands are always full. Pier 1 imports. What is it? Drum roll, please. Aw, it's a cute little dish to put on your dresser. You can put your rings in it. You can put your jewelry, anything you want. You can put a candle on here. It's very pretty.
They just gave you an ashtray.
That is definitely not an ashtray. Pro Glow highlight and color palette. I've never used this brand. It's by Tarte.
I'm just here for modeling reasons, guys.
For contouring and highlighting. It's very pretty. Some of it's a little shimmery. Some mirrors. It's really soft.
Smells good. Smells all like cinnamon and shit.
Smart Beauty Coach from Foreo. Never heard of this brand either, but it looks like a sponge, not a sponge, but a cleaning brush.
Is that like a sexual toy?
No, it's not a sexual toy. This is to clean your face. I feel like it is electronic. Use it to really clean your pores. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna have to read about it.
They selling you sexual toys, you don't even know it. This is how y'all fooling y'all men, y'all boyfriends. Yo!
Earlier, this straw is marine, or saves marine life. So it's a biodegradable straw, turtles on it. It's cardboard,
Shit, my bad.
but it's biodegradable so that
If it goes into the water, it just melts.
it degrades. It doesn't melt.
Same shit.
But we can save the marine life. There's cute little turtles on it. We have here hair protectant spray. So this is really good if you use a lot of styling tools on your hair, like straighteners or curling irons. Blow dry your hair a lot. This is gonna help keep it nice and healthy. Classic sunscreen from Cula Sport SPF 50.
You're definitely gonna need that this summer. I don't need shit like that.
It looks like it's supposed to smell like vanilla. I'm gonna need that. Stay nice and young.
Yo, can I pull something out?
Yeah, go for it.
This. So it's a sex on the beach blanket. If you plan to have sex on the beach, you just bring this blanket and it happens.
Well, I picked this one. There was a couple of options, and this is the one that I liked best.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, it's really soft.
It's nice. I don't know how good it will soak up water though. You know that type of material?
Yeah, it's kind of fleecy. Like it looks like it's terry cloth.
I don't know how good it's gonna dry your skin. Mina and Michelle will take a shower together later and figure that out.
I think it's better for lying on than drying off. The last thing, Black Lava Body Caviar. It's an oil and salt body scrub. It will truly revolutionize your skin. We welcome you to a new level of moisture and luxuriously pampered softness.
Smell it.
Caviar.
I want to smell it too.
Like the sound of that, but
caviar, that's expensive shit. We're dealing with some high class shit here.
FabFitFun.
Y'all doing good.
I don't know how I feel
Ain't
about that
caviar
smell.
like some kind of fish?
Yeah, but I think that's just to sound luxurious. So it's really oily and it looks like kind of jelly in there.
I like the smell of it actually.
I assume whatever I'm seeing in there is like the exfoliant, the salt-like stuff
to
scrub, but they're very oily, keep you moisturized.
It smells good though. We should try some of these things.
It smells kind of like a weird off cinnamon.
No, it smells like it's healthy and supposed to be on your skin.
It smells alright.
Alright. And is that it?
That's it.
Oh no, look! Yo, we got this, guys! Oh shit! Guys, don't ever forget the confetti. It's a big party. What are you most looking forward to using out of everything here?
Probably the caviar body scrub and moisturizer and the sunscreen because it smells really nice and I use sunscreen on my face every day. So.
Yeah, there you have it. That was the FabFitFun box for summer 2018. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Also make sure you follow
Fit. 4 M's.
and then FIT.
Fit.
On everything. And make sure you check me out, Trinity Daniels. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. And yeah.
Bye.
There's nothing I will use here, is there?
No, this is for FabFitFun people.
I'm definitely fabulous. I'm definitely sexy and fit. And I'm definitely fun.
So this is to exfoliate your skin.
Yo, what kind of skin you trying to exfoliate all over here?
Give it back.
Jeez. Thank you. Thank you.
You shouldn't point knives at people.
Vince.
Don't have sex on the beach. You're gonna get sand everywhere.
How do you know?
It's just a fact.
Is it a proven fact for you, or?
Okay, you can open the towel and luxuriously.
What?
Now,
you're gonna have to clean all this up.
I'm not cleaning this
Did they
up.
bring a broom in here? Alright, I see how she's violent, guys. Call the police. On a scale of like 1 to 10, how much do you like these?
Wow.
It doesn't matter how much you like
You
these!
see this?
Alright, well, if you need help applying that on your body, just let me know.
Thanks, Amy.
You're welcome. The instruction says...
So until next time, FabFitFun. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, but I'm trying to let them know. This says in the instructions you need a second person to rub it on your body.